Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the Stock Market Show. This is your host, Shades. As always, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. And if you want to join the Discord, patreon.com/shades and trades. No, it is not free because I bring a lot of value. If you've been following this channel, you made a lot of money on all these pumps here on AITX. Hundreds of percentages on some of them. This recent pump, a lot of people made a lot of money. Guess what? We're waiting for it to come down, and we're going to do it again, and it requires patience and discipline. So if you have that, join the Discord today. We are having fun in there. We're learning from one another's mistakes because everyone's going to make mistakes, especially as they learn how I trade and how I run the Discord. So there you go. There's your promo for the Discord, $5 off if you join today. All right, AITX up 17.24%. Of course, if we look at the history of this stock, it likes to dilute and it likes to have green candles as it comes down. Look, red candle, green candle. Everyone gets excited. Ooh, woo, we're going to go to the moon tomorrow. And then guess what happens? Wait, my SPY calls are up 156%? No way. No, I think that's fake. But anyways, yeah, it kept coming down. Green candle. Oh my God, this is it. The next big move. Woo! And then it finally hits the bottom. And then we pump again and rinse and repeat, right? You know, it comes down. Oh, look, a big green candle. Woo! And then it comes down anyways. This was actually a big green candle before it sold off completely, and we still came down. So I'm just showing you this pattern, very clear and obvious pattern. It pumps, and then even on the way down, gets some green candles. It gets the AITX Discord excited, and they never learn from their mistakes, and we just take advantage of the longs who love being dumped on. So wait for it to come down. It will come down. Anyone who tells you otherwise is smoking something. I don't know what. Something good, I'm sure, but they're smoking. This one always comes down to the bottom, and some people have said you can't time the bottom, Shades. My friend, this is when you find a very clear bottom like this, you can absolutely time it. When it's very obvious like this, you can time it. So, you know, I don't know. I don't know what to tell you. If you can't see what's in front of you, that's on you. Have I gotten cockier? Of course. I told you 2025 was going to be a big year for. It was going to be a big year for me, big year for anyone who joins the Discord, a big year for AITX. I was not joking when I said that, and you can't say I didn't say that. I've been calling it play-by-play. Play-by-play. This is like, I told you, this is my prime right here. These are my prime years. If there's such a thing. If this was boxing, this is my prime right here. My prime. Too much confidence maybe, but I'm doing well. Have not lost since November. The last loss was on ILIS, and guess what? It's not on my watch list. AITX still is because it's a winner. Because it is a winner. I believe it is a winner, but boy, does it have a lot of work ahead of it. Long term has a lot of work ahead of it. Let's not pretend otherwise. So we did get a PR today. Let's go over that. I did watch the investor presentation, but it was a whole lot of nothing. I was not blown away by anything. I thought they were really going to announce something incredible, something big, something so out of left field that I was going to be shocked. Like even me, I was going to be shocked. But nope, it was a whole lot of nothing. If I'm being honest. It's whatever. But today we're moving 17%. Let's see why. AITX's newest tech solution, Sarah, finds first client 13 days after launch, which I'm not surprised by that. But I'm not surprised by this because if you guys follow me, what did I tell you? I'm like, I believe in Sarah. I don't know about Radcam, their first foray into the residential side of things. We'll see how the numbers turn out for that. But Sarah, I told you, what did I tell you? I'm like, I believe in this one. I think this one will take off, and we're going to start getting clients, and we're going to get a bunch of them, and we're going to get the PRs, and we're going to get moving. But I'm still going to wait, right? I'm still going to wait for the bottom. I can wait. You guys know me. We've been here long enough. We know that Shades can wait. Let's go through it real quick. The speed at which Sarah has found its first deployment speaks volumes about the need for smarter, more cost-effective security solutions in industries like construction. I wouldn't be surprised if we get more PRs with regards to Sarah in not just with new clients, but also the current clients that they have getting some Sarah as well. So this should add way more revenue to AITX over the course of this year, in my opinion. I'm just a guy sitting in my room. Okay, I'm not gonna pretend like I know everything, but so far I've been hitting the nail on the head. Not only with the timing of the bottom and making you a lot of money, but 100% win rate. Who else can declare that for last year? And I think we're gonna do it again this year. And on top of that, I'm telling you, Sarah is gonna be the big winner here for this year, unless they come out with something else. If Radcam surprises me, that'd be great. That'd be great. I am thinking about buying a Radcam. I have to communicate with a friend who lives across the street from me, because I live in an apartment, right? I don't live in a house. I don't have kids or anything like that. So for him, I'm gonna reach out to him and let him know, hey, I'll get you 3 Radcams, and we can do like a video and have fun with it, and then you know, he can have them. That's what I'm thinking right now. As a review, I'm gonna do my own review, do a good job with it too. I don't want to be lazy with it, but I have to reach out to him and see if he's even in the States, because he usually goes out of state in the winter to his other house. Sarah is designed to enhance SoC efficiency. Okay, we already know all of this. Okay, now that's it. That's it. It's just okay. Good to know that a PR like this moves the stock. Anytime we see a Sarah PR, it's time to pay attention, because clearly it can move it like 13 to 17%. For those of you who haven't been following AITX as long as I have, their PRs are kind of, you know, they can drop a lot of them, and it's rare that any one of those move it like 50 or 100%. I'd be shocked if it moved a lot just on this PR. That would be shocking. That would be the first time in a long time that I've ever seen AITX move on a small PR like that. Like that's a small potatoes PR. I would be surprised if it moved it, because we get those all the time. Like, hey, new client or old client getting more of these machines. Like, I've seen those before, and it usually doesn't move it. So it's very interesting that we're getting this kind of movement today. We'll see how it closes, but I would anticipate just wait. Even if it pumps here a little bit, it did it last time, right? Came down, pumped again. Came down, actually pumped here, then came down, pumped again. It pumped so many times on the way down. So don't get too excited. It's not going to run to the moon. The amount of volume needed to even get going, this only has 102 million volume, and it's lunchtime. What was this? 608 million, 877 million. So almost 1.5 billion in volume just to be able to go from 0026 to up here. Like, it's pathetic. Sybil did that on a fart. Don't worry, it's not gonna run away. It's not gonna, oh my god, it's getting away from me. Like, relax, it'll come down nice and cheap. You gotta trust me, guys. Those of you who are in the Discord, because so many people have joined, you gotta trust me. If you trust me, you will make the most money, because you're waiting and you're being patient. Some of you are impatient. Some of you made a lot of money on the quantum computing stocks because of the hype cycle. Until another hype cycle comes, you got to be patient and wait for the setups. And that's how you make money when you're not chasing hype. All right, guys, that's it for the video. You guys know what to do. If you're experienced and you've been following me for a long time and you're not subscribed, at least give me a subscribe, guys. Come on. If you've been following me this long and you're not subscribed, come on. That's all I ask of you. Because I looked at my analytics and I'm like, what? 50% of you aren't subscribed, but you're watching? And if you've made money off of this, which you should have, all last year, I don't see why I wouldn't deserve your subscribe. Yes, I am begging for subscribers. I hit 5K and I want to go to 10K next. And then we'll see from there if I want to go to 100K. I don't really care for 100K. I just want 10K. Just so I can say, yep, 10K, and then I can peace out. No, I'm kidding. Imagine I just say, oh, 10K, see you guys. Good luck. What if I do that, though? All right, I'll see you in the next one. I'm having fun, man. It's a good time. 2025. We got President Trump coming on the 20th. I think that's going to decide where the market goes. And I think it's important to keep an eye on NVIDIA. Because when Trump comes along, I was showing this to everyone in the Discord, so I'm going to show it to you guys. And please don't leave just yet. This is important. NVIDIA hit a top here at 153. Guess when? In November. As you can see down there. In November, it hit a high of 153. Has not gone higher since then. Has failed to create a higher high, higher low, as you would expect in a bull run, right? Isn't it funny that we've been going sideways since then? We have not gone higher since then. We tried here, we did not. So I really believe that the 20th and beyond will tell the story of whether we continue the bull run and we break out to new highs, or we just go sideways, or we maybe even go into a bear market. It really is going to depend on the big man. So keep an eye on this. This is important information I'm giving you. Like, it's kind of weird, right? When you think about it. Wait, yeah, that doesn't make sense. Since November, it just stopped creating a high. So it's almost like the market is waiting. It's almost like the big players are waiting. They're just sitting back and waiting and seeing like what's going to happen with what's Trump going to do more than anything. So just important information for you guys who don't look too deep into things. And it's just speculation on my part. Maybe I'm crazy. Maybe I am. But just seems odd to me that since November, and we all know what happened in November and who won, we just kind of, it's like we're just waiting. Like we're waiting for to see what's going to happen with the next administration. All right, guys, I'll see you in the next one.